Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. Once again, me not come with breaking news, me not come with updates. Me get report for my table like this way I need share give the general public. And the koko be say, in condemnation of the state of emergency wey dey declared in Rivers State and the suspension of Governor Finaly plus his deputy wey be Ngozi Odu and all members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, and all these levels so is proudly sponsored and brought to us by our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But sake of say men now no dey happy at all. Sake of say men now dey against the declaration and the decision of our president. Some Nigerians wey dey in diaspora, some Nigerians wey dey abroad, they don vow to protest for the streets of the United States of America. Our countrymen now wey dey Yankee don vow say they go do I no go gree waka until dem get the attention of reasonable men, until dem get the attention of person wey go true help our nation Nigeria. And these Nigerians now dem dey under the umbrella of the democratic movement. Dem now dey yarn say their members and leaders go stage a walk at the White House to register their grievance on the proclamation made by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the green light wey the National Assembly give the declaration wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu plaster. For inside one statement now wey dey issued on Thursday, wey be the 3rd day of April for inside this year, so wey be 2025. The president of the group, the president of the democratic movement, this country person dey go by the name Cosmos Achieve. He now dey call on the president make him reinstate Governor Finaly. He now dey yarn make our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu plaster Sasim Fubara back to office, and not just Sasim Fubara, make him plaster back his deputy wey be Ngozi Odu, and make him restore all the lawmakers of the Rivers State House of Assembly, make him plaster them back into office. Now, according to the president, according to Oga Cosmos of the democratic movement, he now dey yarn say the purpose of this their protest, so their aim now to draw global attention to the jaguda activity wey dey happen for inside Rivers State, to a direct assault on democracy and the will of the people of Rivers State and Nigeria at large. He wants now make men for other nations then see wetin dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. He wants now make the world see and say undemocratic activities, jaguda activities dey happen for inside we nation. Oga Cosmos wey be the president of the democratic movement come dey yarn say dem want make this their protest so draw the attention of Nigerians wey dey for other countries. They want make this their protest so draw the attention of civil rights activists. They want make their protest draw the attention of supporters of democracy. Make it draw the attention of men wey like good governance and men wey plaster the goodness of Nigeria for their hearts. Now, according to how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Oga Cosmos, he say they no go fit just sit down while elected governor is being removed, entire legislature too suspended, and to crown the whole jaguda activity, men come plaster an unelected administrator for office. Say this na dangerous precedent wey go threaten the democracy of our green country wey be Nigeria. And like this now, the world need to see wetin dey happen for inside Rivers State. All the lovers of democracy gats to know say a democratically elected government have been suspended under the disguise of emergency rule, and they urge President Donald Trump make him engage with Nigerian authorities and make him call for the immediate restoration of the constitutional order. So this my good people, now how Oga Cosmos will be the president of the democratic movement stay yarn for inside their statement about the things and things where they play for inside Rivers State and for inside with nation Nigeria. You say after after they don't drop their statement finish, them now constantly draw here the summer warning. Say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu supposed to take very much aware say all these actions now, all these decisions, all these things now when they do for inside Rivers State, if it last lead to a grave diplomatic consequences, we go last portray Nigeria as a nation heading towards dictatorship. And no be lie, my good people, currently for inside we nation Nigeria now, security agencies go dey yarn say na Nigerian youth sake of the yahoo wey men don to do for inside we nation Nigeria and don spoil the image of we country. But men dey fail to realize say all these kind jaguda activities dey last dey spoil the image of we nation. Our representatives now, men for inside we nation go travel go other countries, they go preach about democracy, they go yarn say make they come invest for we nation Nigeria, not knowing say for inside we nation Nigeria dictatorship na one plaster. Men don too complain about the emergency rule and the suspension of elected officials for Rivers State, still yet the presidency never do anything about the matter. Men now don too complain about electoral acts dem. Men now don too complain say when it comes to election, it's not making sense. Things and things dey go wrong and e no nice. Still yet, the presidency never do anything about the matter. Now, anyhow, this matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get another informate. Me still get report for my table where I still need share give the general public. And the koko be say, Oga Wike wey be the minister of FCT, he now don come outside come dismiss the rumours wey don circulate on social media say im collapse inside last week. He now dey describe the report as false and an attempt by political opponents to mislead the public. On Thursday wey be the 3rd day of April for inside this year so wey be 2025, as Oga Wike dey inspect 4 ongoing projects for inside FCT, including one international conference center, he now come dey yarn say those claims wey dey board now, those claims wey don circulate already say im faint and dem come rush am go France. Oga Wike say that claim is very much baseless and he dey accuse those wey dey behind them of trying to gain cheap political points. According to how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Oga Wike, he say he no collapse at all. As a matter of fact, he no show any sign say he get any health problem and he want to tell the general public wetin happen. And the koko be say, the former head of service of Rivers State government bin come out to come let the public know wetin dey go on for inside Rivers State and how men take plan to bomb the Rivers State House of Assembly complex and how dem plan to take attack the national assets dem. Then in order to divert attention from people now not to focus on the confession wey the former Rivers State head of service get, then na come dey bring up some kind rumour. Then na come dey yarn say im faint and dey come rush am go overseas. He na dey yarn say e no get any time wey im collapse and e no get any time wey dem fly am go overseas for treatment. And as a matter of fact, that same day wey dey talk say im faint, im waka with im 2 leg go meet our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu and together dey come break iftar. Then Oga Wike come summarize im talk by saying na only God na know when man go last kpai, no be human being. Human being now no get the right, they no get the left, they no even get the middle to talk if man go kpai today or tomorrow. That authority dey Baba God hand and his hand alone. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you gbadu this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more reports and updates for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.